Your opinion matters, but your opinion is not the only one that matters. Open oneself to criticism, dahil dyan tayo mag-grow, dyan tayo matututo, and dyan tayo magiging malakas. Since naghiwalay yung parents ko, para akong ping-pong, na dati, nakatira ako sa bahay ng tatay ko kasi siya yung nagpapaaral sa akin. Then, umuwi rin ako kay mama during weekends. May mga time nga na gusto ko sila makita pareho. Mas naging close ako kay mama kasi yan si mama, napaka-vocal niyan and supportive lalo na sa passion ko sa pagsasayaw. I'm trying to balance school, I'm trying to balance my time with my family, friends, tapos nakuha ko pang mag-training sa pagsasayaw. Akala nga siguro ni Papa, pinapabayaan ko na yung pag-aaral ko. Pero doon ko kasi nahanap yung saya ko, doon ko na-express yung sarili ko, and doon ko nararamdaman na I'm doing a good job. Dahil siguro watak yung biological family ko, ang gusto kong mangyari, yung BGYO family ko, na maging matatag. Bilang isang member ng dance competition team sa Pilipinas, ina-apply ko dito yung mga natutunan ko. Yung mga feeling kong bugbog na kami sa training, rest for a bit, then go back up again. Kung nasa backstage kami, pag alam kong may isang hindi okay, ina-align ko yung mindset nila, emosyon nila, dapat okay sila before sumalang doon. Kasi bilang leader, gusto ko best yung pinapakita namin palagi as a group. Hindi siya madali kasi kailangan ko rin i-practice yung sarili kong skill set. Pero feeling ko, ito yung pinaka-best way para maging efficient and mas maging solid kaming lima. Before pa lang ako pumasok dito sa Star Hunt, parang doon ko na naramdaman na naging proud siya nung naging part ako ng project na to. Sana balang araw, kapag naging successful na kami, I'll make you guys proud, lalo ka na Papa. The learnings that define us as brothers and as BGYO. Bad days come and go, pero hindi pwedeng masama ang pakikitungo natin sa isa't isa. Good listening skills lead to wise decisions. Kaya kailangan matuto tayo makinig at umintindi ng mga kasama. Your opinion matters, but your opinion is not the only one that matters. Open oneself to criticism, dahil dyan tayo mag-grow, dyan tayo matututo, and dyan tayo magiging malakas.
It's hard to be a leader, especially if you are the oldest. You have more to play than others. You have to be strong to make them strong. You will guide them whenever they are struggling. And it hurts you more and more every time I see them struggling. But Jello is very nice. He is not the person who will just look at you whenever you are in trouble. He is ready to accompany you to get well.
Presenting BGYO's leader, Jello! Sawadee krap! It's nice to meet all of you. I hope you guys enjoy the show. I'm Jello Rivera from BGYO.
It is still inevitable that people will give back comments.
Tapos na. Sana kahit paano
worth it sumuko. Know your worth. You are great. I love you, Jello.
Feeling
Jello.